What's up, guys? So today I'm going to be sending my Galaxy Z Flip 5 back to get repaired. So I'm going to be walking you guys through the process in this video. So let's get started. Okay, so we have here the phone. Oh, look, the rainbows on the ground. Okay, so I'm going to take it off the case, power it on, unless it died. It might have died. Why is it so dusty? Okay, so it didn't die. So let me just take everything off. So in case you didn't know what happened to this phone, I'll wait till it turns on to show you guys. But basically, like, the screen just turned black for no reason. Oh wait, hold on, let's get some ASMR. Maybe that was satisfying, I don't know. But yeah, so, and Samsung is going to replace it for free, which is super nice of them. So yeah, today I'm just going to go through the whole process of resetting everything and just, sending it back to see what the process is. And if you enjoyed the video after everything is done, consider subscribing if you're not already. That would mean a lot to me. Yeah, so let's get started. I realized I already said that. Okay, I know this isn't where I usually film my videos, but yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and open it. Yeah, as you can see, it just spread. So this is what we're dealing with for the display. It is unresponsive to the touch. Like, literally, it will not even do anything. Yeah, every single time when I open and close it, it just spreads, so I tried to avoid that. But yeah, so I'm going to package it up. Samsung did send me a package to send it back in, so I'm going to package it all up, and I'll be, back in a little while. Okay, and we got everything packaged. As you can see, that actually looks really cool. I can't turn the... Oh, my dog says hi. They're literally shedding, so there's just a pile of hair there. But yeah, so I'm going to pack this up and send it out and see how long it takes. Okay, so it has been 5 days since Samsung said that they have received my phone, and it just shipped back to me, and it was repaired, so it should be here tomorrow, so that's pretty fast shipping, honestly. It's like next day shipping. So yeah, I'll be back. Either something happens with the shipping, which hopefully nothing happens, or I will have the product, so I'll see you then. Okay, so something kind of weird happened with the package. So I got the notification on Friday. My package has shipped. That was from Samsung. And then UPS didn't actually receive the package until Monday, which was yesterday. And today's Thursday, or Tuesday. And they're going to send it out today. So hopefully it arrives. It's out for delivery right now. So sorry I didn't update you guys as it happened. But just, everything, it just was kind of weird because UPS didn't actually receive the package. But yeah, overall, I think it was like 12 days or something, like the whole repair, so I'll catalog everything and put it in the video for you guys, but next shot will be me unboxing the phone, so see you then. Okay, so we do have the package, Z Flip 5, I'm assuming, hopefully they sent me the right device. Let's just go ahead and open it. Very eco-friendly packaging, which is always really nice to see. So let's go ahead, and open it. Oh, okay, so there's adhesive. And, oh. Okay, looks like we got some paperwork. Let me just read this. That's actually kind of a nice little package. So it looks like they replaced the display, and I'm assuming that's the protector, like the screen protector, and it was very nice of them, and everything is free. Problem solved, happy to help. Warranty. Okay, so yeah, push that to the side. It's actually like a pamphlet. Kind of surprised. Okay, so I don't think we have anything else in here. I forgot how you do this. I think you like open it from here. Yeah. Okay, and then yeah. Okay, you take this. Oops, take this out. Then you fold it. There we go. And then you pull it out. What happened to the crease? Wait. This is definitely this. What? Guys? What happened to the crease? Like, actually, what did they do? I mean, I'm glad, don't get me wrong. Wait, hold on. I am in awe right now. Look at that. They completely got rid of the crease. I'm assuming it's temporary. It'll probably come back. Oh, yeah, the wall. You can see the wall. I'm redoing the walls, so that's why they look really bad. And yeah, the ceiling, it got paint on it. So you can see my room. But like, what happened? Wait, hold on, let me fold it. Probably because it's a new screen. Oh. Wait, no, it's still not. Wow, okay. Maybe I was talking too long about the screen. Okay, let's go ahead and power this on. I got a power brick, Samsung's official one, and the MagTime charger. Let's go ahead, plug this guy in. They definitely cleaned it, which is nice. It looks good. So yeah, let's power it on. Hopefully the screen is fixed. There we go. That's what we like to see. Cover screen. Nice. Okay, so everything is repaired, obviously. I'm going to go ahead and... I can't feel this crease. That's crazy. I'm going to go ahead and power this guy, or like set it up, and I'll be right back. Okay, so everything is all set up, and let me tell you, I am impressed with this repair. So the crease is still gone. I don't know what they did to it, but it's gone, and it's so cool. And obviously everything works. The speakers were kind of weird. It sounded like something got in them, and they replaced those too. So the speakers work great now, and honestly, everything works. They replaced the I don't know, housing or bezels around the screen, and obviously the screen is new. So everything on this display is new. So that is really nice. So I would rate the overall repair process as a solid 9. Honestly, maybe a 10 because the device seemed to come back in better condition than it was before. No crease, new display, new screen protector, everything, and for free, which was so nice of Samsung to do that. The only downside was that I did lose some photos and videos, but you know, all my photos are on my second phone too, all my photos, so just a few got lost. And other than that, that was it. But like, if this is your main phone and something like that did happen, there is no way to recover your photos, which is pretty sad. I think there are some softwares you can use. If I can find some, I'll leave them linked down below, that you can like retrieve it off like without having to like approve it, kind of basically hacking your phone just to receive photos and videos. So you could do that. I just didn't find that important enough to do that because I didn't really need the stuff that was on here. But yeah, so overall, I would probably honestly rate this a 10 repair. So time was a little bit meh. It was like 12 days. Ish. I'll put it on screen. I think it was maybe less than that. So if this was your main phone, it definitely did take a while, but it was a satisfactory repair. It was free. So overall, a really great experience. So thank you for watching that video. If you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing to my channel. That would mean a lot to me. And yeah, check out some of these other videos on my Z Flip 5 or any other phone I have, and I'll catch you in the next video, and I'll see you then.